Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to back up your Google Authenticator. First of all, I want to apologize for taking a video like this instead of a screen recording. Now that is because when you take a screen recording, basically Google Authenticator makes the screen black due to security issues. You cannot see anything. The first way is basically using a Google account and signing in. And when you sync it, look at this. Our codes have been saved to our Google account. So if I come to my other device, and I come here at the top right, click on the profile icon, I can literally come here and just select this account and it will let me sync the codes, as you can see. Now, the other way to back up is to come here at the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, click on transfer codes, and then click on export codes, okay? Click on this, and now let's just put in our password. Once to verify that it's us, there we go. Now we'll select the codes we want to back up. I'll back up both of these. Click here on next, and then all you need to do is scan this QR code on your device. So I'll just take a screenshot and I'll save this screenshot. I can email it to myself, and then whenever I want or I lose this device, and I can easily use the screenshot of the QR code and sign into the other device. And it's really that easy and simple.